Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Norina Kawal. In this video, I will explain you how to start affiliate marketing for total beginner. So there is three main basic point. First step is you need to take the product. Second step, you need to make funnel. Third step is email autoresponder. So this is three basic main step to start affiliate marketing. So if you are totally brand new in my YouTube channel, so you can go back and watch the video about what is affiliate marketing and how you can choose the product and how you can set up. So you can watch my other videos for more information. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promote other people's stuff and get commission. This is simply definition, right? So I will explain you. There is different networks where you can apply as affiliate, where you can choose the product. Once you choose a product, you need to make your welcome page, opt-in page, and third step, you need to make email autoresponder. So let's move on. I will show you. First is Warrior Plus. So what you need to do, you need to free sign up, right? Once you fill out this form, you will get confirmation email, and you need to active your account. So what is this? This is a platform where you can select the product, choose the product according to your niche. So what is niche? Niche is your interest, right? If you are interested in health and fitness, beauty products, and you can say home, and you can say digital product, so anything. Simply definition of niche is your interest. So you can choose your niche product from Warrior Plus and apply the link, and I will explain in my next video how you can promote the product from Warrior Plus. So second platform is Digistore. So you need to register. So this is for the audience marketer. Digistore is an online sale platform that offer you can integrate online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods and accounting automation, text automation. So this is a huge platform of affiliate products, right, where you can select the product and promote into your social media. So this is second platform, second network where you can choose the take the product, right? So first is Warrior Plus, second is Digistore, and third one is you can choose ClickBank, right? So ClickBank is very easy, user friendly. So you can go back and watch my YouTube video how you can choose a product from ClickBank and how you can sign up. Step by step I explain everything in my video how you can sign up. So I'm just giving you example how you can get link from ClickBank, and you can same get the link from Warrior Plus, same you can get the link from Digistore, and same you can get link from JVZoo, right? So I have already account. I just log in and give you example how you can select the product, right? So this is ClickBank dashboard, and where you need to first you need to go affiliate marketplace. So this is affiliate marketplace. There is different categories, right? So you need to choose your niche. You need to choose your interest. For example, you can choose fiction, employment and jobs, education, digital products, business, anything you like, right? So you can choose. For example, I'm choosing health and fitness. So when you choose your department, so first of all you need to select here gravity. Gravity mean the product is selling every day on daily basis. So these products are very regular on ClickBank, sale every day, right? You can see there is flat belly tonic, custom keto diet, biofit, diabetes freedom. So it's mean these products are selling every day. These products are have demand in market, right? So you need to select on gravity. It's mean you are selecting the product which have already demand in market and customer want to buy it again and again. So you need to click on product promote, and here you need to put your account nickname. If you miss my video about how you can use ClickBank and how you can choose a product from ClickBank, go back and watch my video where I teach you how you can select the account nickname and what is importance of account nickname. So once you select your account nickname, you need to generate hook link. So this is your hook link, right? You just need to copy it and paste it. Same as you can join as Warrior Plus, free sign up, and select your niche and department and apply the hook link, copy it, and same as JVZoo, you can do it. So these are platforms where you can select and choose the product and get the link. So this is first step. First step is choosing the product which have already demand in market. So second step is need to make funnel, right? So I will show you how you can, once you select your product, right? So second step is you need to make your funnel, your welcome page. So for example, I'm showing you my page. This is my page. So this is my welcome page, and behind the scene there is a funnel which is working for me. So once a customer enter the name and email, right? I'm giving you example. So I just explaining you how this funnel is working. So second step is this. You need to make your welcome page. Once the customer enter the name and email, he will see your video, right? And about yourself, who are you and what are you doing. You need to give detail about yourself, who are you and what are you doing. So you need to explain everything about the product, about your business, and who you are, right? So you need to make the relationship with your customer. You need to be clear, be honest with your customer. So next step is, yes, show me the next video. So in here you need to put the link of your product, right? For example, we choose the product from ClickBank, right? So in here we will put the link here, right? So if you are missing my video, go back and watch the video where I teach how you can make the landing page, right? So basically this is a landing page where I explain how you can insert the link. So once the customer sign in and click this link, and he will see his link and product, he will reach the product, and once he buy, you will get commission, right? So this is my affiliate link. I'm promoting this course. So this is digital course. So this is how this funnel work, right? So third step, what is third step? Third step is email marketing, right? So you need to write the emails and set the email autoresponder, right? So how you can do it? You just need to go back in my YouTube channel and you need to watch my video how you can do email marketing and how you can set email autoresponder. So the third step is email marketing. So this is 3 simple step affiliate marketing. First, you need to make welcome page, and second, your product, valuable product. You need to select the product from different networks I show you Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, where you can get the product and get the link, and how you can. So in my videos, there is how you can make your landing page, how you can use get response, how you can do email marketing and set autoresponder. You can go back, watch my videos where I explain you step by step how you can do it. So this is how you can do it. Affiliate marketing, three simple steps. So if you want to make sorry, if you want to make like this page, so what you need to do, you need to go back and again watch the my video how you can make a page to put lot of link, right? So I'm using this page is beacon page, so where you can put your lots of affiliate link. So this is my two affiliate link, 3-day challenge and 15 days challenge. So this is how you can do promote the product and get the commission. So once again, if you are totally brand new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and go back watch my previous video where I explain everything how you can set up your online business step by step. I explain everything. So this is how you can set up. So one more thing I can show you. So this is a simple affiliate funnel. So there is first step is opt-in page, right, where you will collect the email and name from your customer or audience. Second step is thank you page, where you need to put your experience, you can put your image, you can put your video, right? And third step is your order now. It's mean the customer will be buy the product, right? So this is simple affiliate funnel. So once again, if you missed my previous video, go back and watch how you can set up your opt-in page or landing page. Second step is you need to make email autoresponder. I explain everything step by step how you can get the email template, right, and how you can set the email autoresponder. So I hope you understand how you can promote the product in 3 simple steps. So if you are totally brand new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and see the description down below. There is 15 days challenge and 3 days challenge. You need to take the any of challenge, both are worth, both are $7. So basically purpose is you need to take the training, right? So you need to get that training and work as professional. So this is how you can work as affiliate marketer. So hopefully you like my video and drop down a comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.